Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. If I would have to associate a food item that corresponds with the month of October, I would definitely pick pumpkin. This produce is among the favorites when it comes to Halloween decorations. It's also a popular one during our Canadian Thanksgiving, which is coming up this weekend. Let me share a great recipe with you that uses this food item. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my pumpkin chai bread. This is such a delicious recipe. The chai and pumpkin is a great match and gives a nice taste to the bread. This is certainly an amazing recipe that can be served either for breakfast or as a mid-afternoon snack. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a mixing bowl, we'll add flour, some baking soda, my homemade chai masala powder, which you can get the recipe by clicking on the top right corner of the screen, then pumpkin pie spice, same thing here. Click on the top right corner to get the recipe, and followed by baking powder. We'll give a good whisk to blend the ingredients and set aside. In the bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add melted butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. With the paddle attachment, we'll process on medium speed until just combined. Next, we'll add an egg at a time and mix well between each addition. Now, the next ingredient we'll add is pumpkin puree. This is the brand I use, and it's wonderful. Always on medium speed, we'll process until well blended. When this step is done, we'll add our dry ingredients, reduce the speed to low, and mix until just combined. If we process too much, we'll damage the gluten, and as a result, we'll end up with dense bread. And let's not forget to stop to clean the sides of the bowl. We'll now pour the batter into a large loaf pan that has been greased and floured before leveling it out using either a regular spatula or an angled one. We'll tap the pan to dislodge any trapped air, transfer to a 350-degree preheated oven, and bake for 1 hour and 10 minutes or until a cake tester inserted in the center comes out clean with just a few crumbs. We'll allow it to cool for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Meanwhile, we'll make the icing. In a medium bowl, we'll add cream cheese and about half of the icing sugar. Using a spatula, we'll combine the two ingredients together before adding more sugar to it. Blend it again with the cheese, and then add the remainder of it. We'll add some pure vanilla extract and continue mixing the ingredients until nice and smooth. When we're done, we'll transfer it to the fridge to firm up while the bread is getting to room temperature. Later on, we'll evenly spread on the icing over the loaf and top with pumpkin seeds. And my friends, this is our pumpkin chai bread. It's flavorful, moist, and absolutely delicious. This tasty bread can be enjoyed for breakfast, as a snack with a nice cup of coffee, or even for dessert. It's the perfect bread to serve this fall. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!